Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays or reconnect your earbuds with the phone. There may be a problem of your audio player, so firstly we need to restart it. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or Spotify or your browser. You need to remove it from the cache and then open it again, then check. Also I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check an update if you haven't. It may fix this problem also. Now the second one, if previous methods didn't help you, is to check if you have the last software version. So open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot change it. You cannot check it. So click on it, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. But if it also didn't help you, you haven't new software version, the next what I can recommend it to you is to restart your device. So now I use my phone and I should restart this phone. And if it also didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom of the charging case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. So just press and hold. Firstly it entered to panic mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding it. 2, 3. Okay, here we go. You're gonna release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone and then reconnect it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device. At the top you will see it. And we don't need to enter panic mode, because after a factory reset these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically. So we just stop and earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.